My name is Carol Yue. I have been working as a business manager at VMT 11 years. Let me show you our workshop. VMT is a 30 years experience factory in manufacturing customized parts. We currently have more than 100 machines and equipment. We can accept small and large batch orders. It can manufacture parts of various sizes, materials, and surface treatments. Currently, cooperative customers cover 62 countries around the world, including some world-renowned companies, listed companies, and industry leaders. In the past 11 years, I have been good at fully communicating with customers and working with VMT's engineering team to deep understand customers' concerns and expectations so as to provide customers with the best quality and service. Through continuous efforts and learning, we are honored to have achieved a 96% repeated order. In the future, my team and I will continue to work hard to provide best service to our customers.